Hello viewers, welcome to Penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 69LC and maroon color fountain pen. And here, this video is specifically taken to give you the clear insights on the pen because just with photos you cannot fully understand about this. Here it is a maroon color body and maroon color cap which has a silver colored clip and a silver color ring on the cap, and the brand's name Airmail was mentioned in this ring and also on the body. A silver stamping on this body which is looking so good with this dark color, and there is a breather hole in this cap. I hope you can find. This will prevent the ink from clogging and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure so that the ink does not leak or drip into the nibs. And let me open this. It is a threading type one. And here this is number 8 nib, a fine tip gold plated one, and you can also swap with number 35 nib. It also suits this pen, and usually pen enthusiasts will swap with candid nibs where we have a fine, medium, broad and again with gold dual tone and silver plated nibs. And also flex nibs can be swapped in this pen with number 35 size, so the choice is yours. For that you can go to our site and click pen spares, then go to nibs and then go to and use a filter, and you can make a query on what you require. Now to the measurement. The holding area's diameter is 10.6 mm and the body is 13.5 mm, and the length of this pen without cap is 129.2 mm, and with cap it is 147.4 mm. With this measurement you can get some idea about the pouches for this pen. If you maintain this using a pouches and all, the same aesthetic and same shininess will last forever. And in our site you can find a single pen pouch, a double pen pouch or 4 pen pouches, and we can do engraving on the pouches too, so we can check in our site. And let me show you the entire weight of this pen. It is 18 grams. And yeah, since the holding area's diameter is a bigger one, this pen is more suitable for adults who have bigger fingers, and also the reservoir capacity is more. You can fill more than 3 ml of ink in this pen, and it is an eyedropper one. All the threads are turned to own out, so to increase the life of the thread, please apply silicone grease or Vaseline whenever you are opening and closing during the ink fill. And also, whenever you fill the ink, fill below the inner threads. If you fill in excess, the leakage path will create it and you will spoil your hands. Hope you can find the inner threads along threads. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pens regularly, that is twice a month, because all the dye based ink will precipitate on the longer usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing and slowly the ink will dry quickly, and then you may have to shake the pens for the ink flow to come out. The reason is the blockage in the feeder screw. So to clean the dirt and deposits in the feeder, you can easily remove this feeder and the nib unit separately by holding this together and twist and pull it out. And after removing, you can flush the feeder with the help of any brush or clean it well with soap water. If you are soaking in soap water, then allow it for an hour and brush and clean. And in some ink bottles itself, you can notice on every fill it is recommended to clean the pen with water. Here it is a Brill bottle, it is given here. Clean your pen with water before filling with Brill ink. It is unique formulation, prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. So it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. Few nibs need to be fine-tuned because during the manual assembly of nibs, the tines may stick together. So gently push the tines up and down So it will create some space in between the lines, so you will get a smooth writing and a very good ink flow in turn. And whenever we dispatch the pens to a customer, we do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatch. This is our usual practice. And in this nib it is mentioned special airmail tipped fine, and with a very decent designs. And let me give the writing sample of this pen with our pen house emerald green ink. A very fine writing. A very good writing experience. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to a mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.